I got a question for you. Have you ever wished that you could just text an assistant to handle your complex task while you're out living your life? Well, what if that assistant lived right inside your daily messaging apps and worked for you 24/7? Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to MiniMax Agent, this is actually a powerful, overarching AI native workspace designed to upgrade your workflow and turn your daily SOPs into automated processes. However, the real game changer is their brand new feature known as Max Claw, which you guys can see right over here on the very far left. Now, Max Claw, it evolved to a fully autonomous, highly capable personal assistant that seamlessly integrates into your existing life. You heard that correct. Now, I want you guys to understand that technically some of the biggest features here are the personal assistant and the deployment demo. All right. So I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to Max Claw's biggest selling points, it is the ability to act as your dedicated personal assistant across the platforms that you technically already use, meaning that you don't have to keep a browser tab open just to get your work done. All right. So if we actually take a look here, you guys will see that this is the main dashboard. We're going to go over here to the very far left. We have what is known as Max Claw. Now, I want you guys to understand for Max Claw, you can actually take a look at the very bottom and you can see where it is available on. You heard that correct, you guys. So we're talking about this could be integrated. Not only that, you can authorize the deployment of Max Claw onto your preferred platform. So we got Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, or if you like, even Discord. All right. So technically, you could choose your messaging app and send a message to MaxClaw to instantly trigger a complex workflow on the go. You heard that correct, you guys. So if we go over here to the very far left, we can actually give it a new task. We can go ahead and just kind of put something here in a prompt. We're going to put monitor the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges or major price movements today and text me a summary of the market trends here on WhatsApp every 4 hours. You heard that correct. All right. So we can actually go ahead and run that. Not only that, but I want you guys to understand, I mean, there's going to be a lot of things that you can actually do here as well. All right. So we can actually, for our personal assistant, I want you guys to understand that we can actually utilize what is known as the expert function within the agent. And this typically allows us to completely customize our assistant using simple, natural language, right? So let's go ahead and get this done really quick. But I also want you guys to understand that it actually features a massive open AI agent marketplace. So we're talking about with over 10,000 pre-configured experts. All right. So what does that mean? Well, technically, you guys, you can easily plug these into Max Law to give your assistant instant expertise in areas like financial modeling, coding, or even data scraping. You heard that correct. All right. You guys can see right here, received. I'm starting to monitor. You guys can see all the information here. So pretty cool, pretty easy and simple, right? Not only that, you guys can see down here that we do have skills. So technically you can add different skills as you guys can see, right? There's a lot of important details, which is pretty awesome. Well, I want you guys to understand that because Max Call lives in your messaging apps, it technically operates continuously in the background. So it actually executes scheduled tasks, processes files, and handles research while you actually sleep, right? Which is cool. All right. So it is designed to remember your specific preferences and skills over time. All right. So becoming more personalized and efficient the longer that you actually use it. All right. Very important, you guys. So once again, you guys, if you actually create something, all right, you can actually use the expert for your assistant. Very important you guys understand. Okay. And you can share it with your community. You can earn time. Someone actually uses it. All right. So I want you guys to understand exactly how this works. Pretty easy and simple. All right. More importantly, MaxClaw completely eliminates the steep learning curve of traditional AI tools by operating purely through conversational text in apps that you already know how to actually use. All right. So you guys can see right here, you can explore the experts. All right. Very important. All right. Dive down into this. Once again, you guys, there's a massive amount here that you can check out, right? 10,000 pre-configured experts. All right. So I'm going to highly recommend you guys dive down into this. Let me know exactly what you guys think. But more importantly, you guys need to understand, I mean, this is life-changing, in my opinion. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you're ready to carry a powerful AI personal assistant right in your pocket, head over to the website to deploy MaxClaw to your favorite messaging apps today. More importantly, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, leave a comment, and check out the link down below in the description. We'll see you in the next video.